Hey guys, welcome back to Learn with Maktoum. In the last video we have discussed about arrays. In this video we are going to discuss about array lists. Array list is similar to array, but there is a difference that the size of the array list can be increased dynamically. Whereas in case of arrays we cannot increase the size dynamically. Dynamically means at runtime. At runtime we cannot increase the size of arrays, whereas in array list we can increase the size dynamically. Clear with that? So array list is also similar to array, but the difference is that the size increases dynamically. Clear with this? And array list we can store different types of data, whereas in case of array we have to store similar type of data. Yes. So let's see how to create, how to access, how to add an element, how to remove an element. We are going to see one by one. So without wasting time, let's start. Okay, how to create an array list. So there is a class called as array list. Okay, array list, it comes under a package, a namespace called as collections. So that you have to import first. So I'm going to say using system dot collections, system dot collections. Okay, okay, array list, object name a1 equals to new array list. Okay, so this is how we are going to create an array list. So there's a class called as array list. We are going to create an object of that class, and this object can be used to add an element, to remove an element. We can do anything with that. Okay, so how to add an element to it? We have a method called as add. Add method is used to add the values to the array list. So we can specify any value here. It may be a string, it may be an integer or a floating point. Here I am declaring a string. Say I am going to add one more. Yeah. Now I have added some elements to the array list. Yes. Okay, how to access them? We can access them using the index. Okay, same, the array list also has index starting from 0. Okay, so we can access them using their index. Okay, now I'm going to print one of the element of the array list. Console dot write line. I'm going to print first element is a1 of 0. Yes. Okay, let's run and see. The first element is Maktoum. You can see there it is printed. I hope I'm clear with accessing the element. Okay, now how to print them? So for that we can use for each loop. For each, you can say var keyword. For each element in A1, you're going to print them. Console dot write line, print the element. Clear with that? How to do it? Clear with that? Let's execute. Yes, you can see all the elements of the array list has been printed. Clear with the thing. Okay. So about this for each loop we are going to discuss in the next video. It is a looping statement where we can go through each element of the given collection. Okay. Now updating an element, so we can update them using their index. Okay, say the name which is there in the first element, I'm going to change the name. For that you can say a1 of 0 is equals to abc. Yeah, and now you can print it. You can say a1 of 0. So now it will be changed. Let's see. Yeah, here you can see from Maktum I have changed it to ABC. How to update an element? You can update them using their index. Clear with that? Okay. Now we have seen how to add an element. Yes. Now we can also add an array into an array list. How to do that? So what I will do is I'm going to declare an array or initialize an array, and that array I'm going to insert into array list. Okay, say integers. I'm going to declare integers equals to 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Okay, now I'm going to add this array into array list. Now there is a method called as add range, which will take a collection as an argument. Okay, now what do you want to add in that collection? You want to add the array, so pass the array name here. Yes, numbers. Okay, now you print the collection, print the list. It will show you all the elements. Yeah, okay, I will do what I will use for each loop. For each var element in numbers, sorry, in a1 is our list, array list name, no? Yeah, so print element console dot write line ele, you're going to print. Okay, now run. Yes, you can see from here, from this abc 25 35.5, and these are what? These are the array elements. I have added array elements to the array list. Clear with this? So this is how you can add a collection into in another collection. Okay, lastly we are going to see how to remove an element from the array list. So there are two functions, two methods, that those are remove at and remove range. Remove at method is used when you want to remove a single element. If you want to remove multiple elements, you can use remove range function. Clear with that? So let us see. A1 dot remove at, I'm going to specify the first index. Index starts from what? 0, so I'm going to say 0. The first element should be removed. Next, a1 dot remove range function, so you have to specify the index. It is a starting index. Okay, say from 3 I want some two elements to be deleted, count variable. Okay, let us see. I have copied the for each loop. I'm going to paste it, and then let us run the program. Let us see the output. Yes, here you can see from this 500 till this. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, index 0 is ABC, no? So ABC is deleted. Yeah, then 200 300 is deleted. From 3 to 5 the index is deleted. Clear with that? I hope I'm clear with the remove at and remove range method. So this is all about array list. I hope I'm clear with the array lists, how to declare an array list, how to insert an element into array list, how to remove an element from the array list, how to display them, and how to access them. I hope I'm clear with all. And this is all about this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.